Now, once you have the orientation, then the next step is you try to normalize that. Okay, because if what will happen if your images are rotated, then we have seen earlier, right? It's very it's very hard to actually compare those two, right? Because the pixel locations will be shifted and the orientations will be different. So to take that into account, what you do is whatever orientation your algorithm has detected for a key point, you use that to normalize all the key point locations. Okay, so the idea there is, let's say you have this key point location and the most dominant orientation, let's say, was in this direction. Okay, so this is showing the histogram for this on the right here. Okay, so this one is the most dominant one. Right, so the bin will look like this. So what you do, you normalize this, mean you make this dominant orientation like pointing towards north. And that's again just one way. You can normalize in any other way, but whatever you do, you should do that consistently for all the key point locations. So in this case, I will show you how you can normalize everything towards the north. So in this case, what will happen if you shift towards north, then you know this angle, right? Let's say this is 45 degrees from the y-axis. So you will shift all the orientations towards 45 degrees towards left. Okay, that's how you normalize. You can see like all the orientations you have at this patch location, you're just rotating them with this angle. So the idea is whatever the most dominant orientation you have, that will always point towards north. And again, this histogram is just shifting because your orientations will change. But of course, like this is going to be your most dominant one. And after your adjustment or after your normalization, always like this first bin will have the maximum value because that's what you're trying to do. Okay, so that's how you normalize your orientation.